Hello everybody, this is Maya, and today we are going to learn how to create a folder on a PC. Now when it comes to computers, the folder is the backbone of the organization. Folders help you separate, label, and move files with ease. Before you can utilize this basic function of a computer though, you have to know how to create one. So moving on, let's start with method 1, using the File Explorer. 1. Open File Explorer. File Explorer is an application built into Windows that allows you to manage all the files and folders on your computer and devices connected to it. You know, this little yellow thing that you probably can see on your taskbar. Also, you can see it from the start menu, or basically any folder that you open. Doesn't have to be this one. Now, step 2, find a location where you want to create the folder. So on the library to the left, this little drop down menu, you can see favorites, your libraries, you gotta go to libraries and then go to documents. As pointed out here, if you are going to be accessing files often, then you might want to consider creating the folder on your desktop. Otherwise, your documents folder should do. So like it said, yes, you can put it on your desktop. Moving on. Number 3, create the folder. To create the folder, right-click, as I don't know if you can see this on the recording, but I'm right-clicking. Right-click on a blank spot and select New and then Folder. As it said, right-click here, and then this drop-down menu should open, and then you go into New, and then you go to Folder, as seen. And number 4, obviously, last step, is to name your folder. Type in a preferred name for the folder. WikiHow, obviously, since that is the site. Now on number 5, oh, there's number 5, okay. Fill the folder. After this, you can drag any type of file that you want to organize into your brand new folder. You can then double click the folder at any time to access those files. You can also place another folder into your folder. How neat is that, right? How neat is putting a folder in a folder sound? Now method 2 is a little bit more complicated, using the command prompt. Now, to open the command prompt, which is going to be either done with run, or you can find it in your start menus. I don't know. Number 1, open the command prompt. You can start the command prompt by pressing the Windows button plus R and then typing command, as seen here, into the run box. If you are using Windows 8, you can also press Windows button and then X and select command prompt from the menu. Number 2, navigate to where you want the folder to be. Use the command prompt navigation commands to open the location that you want your folder to reside in. Number 3, create a single folder. To create a single folder in your location, type mkdir folder name and then press enter. You can open your new folder by typing cd folder name as seen here. Also, I don't think you saw the number 2, so there's number 2. Alright, so number 3, now to create nested directories. Seen here, just screenshot that if you want. You can create a set of directions inside each other with one command. This is useful if you are building a directory tree that you are going to populate later, and the -p flag on your mkdir command to add multiple directories nested to each other. For example, mkdir -p vacation/images/favorites would create a vacation directory in your current location with the images directory inside and the favorites directory located inside the images directory. Number 5, copy files into your new folder. Once you have your folder created, you can start populating it with files. See this guide for details on copying files. Well, we're only trying to figure out how to create a folder yet, so let's not do that just yet. Maybe on another episode. Well, that's it. Let's see about the community QA first before we finish. How do I put a picture in a folder? You click and drag either the icon or the name of the picture onto the icon or the name of the folder you want it in. If this does not work, drag the picture to an empty space and then try dragging it back onto the folder. How to I create a folder on my PC, right click on the empty space where you want the folder to be, and then click the new folder button. If there's no new folder button, see if there is a button called new or new dot 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 ellipses. If there is, click on it and then click new folder or folder. How do I drag a group of pictures into a folder? Click the first picture you want to drag, hold shift, and then click on the last picture you want to drag. Now you can easily drag the pictures into the folder. If you don't like the method of dragging them, you can just right click on anything including the folders and select cut. Enter the folder, right click again, and then select paste. Now how do I rename the folder? Right click on the folder and select rename. Then type in the new folder. As a bonus, after you have typed in the new name, just left click outside anywhere and it will just save instantly. Now, I hope you all learned something today about how to create a folder on the PC. Thanks for watching.